Good morning, everyone. So, for the story narration in Tux Paint, what you have to do is you have to first you have to create all the scenes which you wanted to display in your story. So I have not created any scene, but I am taking right now different scenes which I have created. आप story related scene बना सकते हो, like in first scene you can, मतलब अगर आप crow और pot वाली story display करवा रहे हो तो in the first scene you can display a pot only and a tree, and in the second scene you can add a crow which is who is flying in the sky. In the third scene the crow will come near the pot, and in the fourth scene the crow you can show like crow is putting some uh, stones in the pot, and in the fifth scene you can show the water is up to the level and then crow is drinking. So like this you can create different scenes, and then you can narrate it in the form of story. Now how to do that we will see today. So first of all you have to create all these scenes one by one, and after that you can go to open, and suppose this is my first scene, this is my second scene, third scene, fourth scene, and this is my fifth scene. So how to link all the scenes? So we will go to slides option, and you can select like first you are, let's say you are just doing a story narration that you went to a country like Singapore, and there you have seen the fishes. You went to a museum of the like underwater ride you have done. So this is your first scene. Then you have seen the nature and volcanoes. So something that you can type of create. uh, this is scene 2. Then you have celebrated Christmas over there. So this is maybe third scene. This is how you enjoyed the snowfall over there, and then you went back to your home country, that is India. So this is my 15. So let's say it's a type of story narration. You can here write also whatever you wanted to write, and then click on play. First scene, second scene, third scene, fourth scene, and this is fifth scene. So like this you can narrate a story also, or you can also, after giving the formations of the slides, after giving the numbers to the slide, you can also export it into a GIF format. तो ये जिफ ऑटोमेटिकली सीन्स चेंज होते रहेंगे और वो आपकी जिफ फॉर्मेट में पूरी स्टोरी नरेट हो जाएगी. यू कैन ऑल्सो सेव इट. ठीक है, आप उसको सेव करके देन यू कैन यूज इट फॉर फ्यूचर यूज. सो लाइक दिस यू कैन नरेट अ स्टोरी ऑल्सो, राइट, यूजिंग यूजिंग द टक्स पेंट. तो आपको उसके लिए डिफरेंट डिफरेंट सीन्स बनाने पड़ेंगे, एंड देन यू कैन, after creating these scenes, you can export it to GIF, or you can simply play it. ठीक है, like this you can narrate a story. तो जिफ में एक्सपोर्ट करोगे तो यू विल बी एबल टू शेयर इट विद समवन एल्स ऑल्सो. लाइक आपको प्रोजेक्ट सबमिट करना है तो यू कैन शेयर द प्रोजेक्ट ऑल्सो इफ यू विल क्रिएट इट इन जिफ. तो वो इमेज की तरह सेव हो जाएगी. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल, here if I'll click on GIF export, your slideshow GIF has been exported. Okay, now let's check back. Let's go back, open. You have to find out the folder where you are saving your all Tux Paint pictures. These are the pictures of Tux Paint. And this is just a PNG image. Wait, GIF, this is GIF. अगर हम इसको let's check, open it with Google Chrome. So is it working like a GIF image? Yes, it is working also. It is working like a GIF image. ठीक है, तो इसमें सीन्स अपने आप चेंज हो जाएंगे एंड ये एक पिक्चर की तरह सेव हो गई है आपके डेस्कटॉप पे या आपके टक्स पेंट वाले फोल्डर में। ये ऑलरेडी सेव हो चुकी है और उसमें सीन्स भी अपने आप चेंज होते जा रहे हैं। सो लाइक दिस यू कैन क्रिएट अ स्टोरी ऑल्सो। जितनी भी एनिमेटेड पिक्चर्स होती हैं दैट यू कैन क्रिएट विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस। I hope it is clear to everyone how you can create a GIF image using TuxPaint to narrate a story